Hey everyone, so today I am going to be trying out the Denman brush. I saw this on YouTube. A lot of girls with wavy curly hair use it and they've had a lot of good results, so I thought I'd try it out. I did try it out once the other day. I learned a few things, like I do not like it for detangling. I like to use my wet brush to brush out my hair, get it really detangled. And as I'm using it, I like to also brush my hair first to sections. I'm still working out techniques because, like I said, I've just started using this. Take it, kind of like curl it under like you would a curling iron, and just scrunch it. Got waves that are nice and separated. And I'm a dork and I forgot to put hair product in. So what I suggest is using something that has hold, obviously to hold your curls in place. I like to use Monat's air dry cream. It's kind of messy, but this helps with air drying it faster, and it also has good hold, pretty good hold. And I also, for extra hold, like to use Monat's flexible hold gel. There, also very messy because I use them. What I really like about these products is that you don't have to use a lot of product. You barely need any. Sometimes I see people using like clumps of gel and mousse, and I don't really like that, so I like this because it's concentrated, don't need very much. Like all I use about a Tic Tac pea size amount. And I like to do prayer hands here, step back so you can see. Another Tic Tac size for your hands. Then I'll just a little bit more. Go right the back, top of my head. Then I take my gel again. You don't need very much of this. Again, just like a pea-sized amount. Prayer hands. Okay, so now we can start using the Denman brush. Again, I like to use my detangling brush, the wet brush. You can get these at Walmart or order it on Amazon. And I think it's a must because your hair is very fragile when it's wet, and just brushing it really hard to get the knots out can cause breakage. And also using a detangler, I use Monat's, will help not get breakage. So I get this a little bit more wet because my hair's been drying as I've been talking. Under like that. see, you got like nice separated waves. Again, I'm still working out techniques on how to use it. Scrunch. Probably separate it into smaller sections if you want tighter curls or waves. Make sure it's really detangled because I feel like the denim brush kind of snags if it's not detangled, at least for my hair. Back always seems to be the hardest for me. Now onto this side. Keep those nice separated, more defined waves. Doing these pieces again. And yeah, I like to let my hair air dry. Sometimes I'll diffuse it, but for this video I'll just do air dry and see how it turns out like. So that's how I'll style my hair the majority of the time. And that's just one technique I saw. There's other techniques you could use. I'll probably make another video using that technique. But this one I've seen other people do. You just lift up and curl under and then like just scrunch it. And yeah, I'll come back and show you guys what it looks like. So this is what my hair looks like. Mostly air dried with the denim brush. As you can see, I have more defined waves. I don't have like super wavy hair or anything, but I usually get more curls up in the front, and I really liked how they turned out. I've noticed like doesn't get as frizzy air drying with it. Hopefully as I use it more, I'll learn how to use it better, learn better techniques, and hopefully just get better from there. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video.